he's got a toy drone that he hasn't flown, and I got a drone that I've had for a couple days now. I haven't done a review or anything of it, but when we get to the college, I'll show you guys what I picked up, because it's freaking awesome, and it's definitely a good time. Ooh, Mini Cooper got a little bit of speed to it. All right, we have made it in my dad's Cooper. This thing's crazy to ride, and I haven't like been passenger in a while in this thing, but that's a ride. This thing stands out like wild. But yeah, so like I said, we're here to fly drones. I got mine right here in this Dutch Bros bag, and I'll get it set up for you right now. My dad's got his over here, and he's getting it all set up. Got it for Christmas. But yeah,
Been raining since Christmas.
it's been raining since Christmas. No time to fly a drone, but here he goes. All right. And as for me, I actually got the DJI Mini 3. So this is my drone right here.
Man, this is windy.
And I got the Fly More pack with it, so I do actually get 2 more extra batteries with it. But yeah, this thing right here is freaking awesome. I've already done a little photo of it. You'll see it in the video.
Did I leave it at home?
I don't know what you did with it. It's charging in your car.
Oh no, I put it in there. In here.
But yeah, so let's get messing around with the drone, man. Sheesh. got done flying our drones, and I had fun with mine. Ray?
I had fun with mine too.
There you go.
But then the wind blew.
Oh yeah. So Ray's was a cheaper model, let's put it like that. And yeah, the wind was basically pushing it around. Anytime you try to go, if the wind just like at you couldn't even fly forward. It was pretty rough. But yeah, so it was fun. It's a fun little Christmas gift.
I got to fly Herb's, and his went good in the wind.
Yeah,
and I could fly it really good.
Yeah, so I mean,
not my skills.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't your skills. It's what you have. Your technology was holding you back.
There you go.
You know,
the old pocketbook again.
Yeah, but yeah, so definitely had a good time. Probably gonna go mess with the drone a little bit more when we get home.